everybody, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days Art. Today we're going to create either a mini piece of art or a fridge magnet. It started with leftover goodness and I turned it into what I call the heart of gold. It looks like some kind of weird precious gem with lots of depths and colours, and it's got a heart in there and then there's gold around it, and that's where heart of gold came from. Anyway, I am Sharon and I'm digressing. The project, you are going to see me add white to start with, or should I say clear. Then I add some of the leftover colours because that helps create some nice little bleeding and natural effects. So you're going to see me pour in, this is amber, there'll be some red in there. You can see it's gone so treacly at the minute. But never fear, add a little bit of each and it will start it to bleed and interact with each other. So when I do this, I never know if it's going to turn into something, but rather than it go into the bin, I feel, you know what, I want to save, I want to see, because sometimes the leftover goodness can turn into something magical, or it can inspire future projects. So on this one, there's not a lot to talk about other than adding colour. I come in and add some layers, and then when I take it out of here, I felt like it just needed another little pop of something, so I come up with UV resin because I wanted to control the different layer of colour and I want it to cure fairly quickly. And then I decided to add the gold around it just to add a little bit of interest, and I think it really does add value to it, but that may be just my own personal preference. So I would love to know what you think about the end of this project. And if you have made anything similar and you want to share your art, remember, go over to my Facebook page or add a link to your channel in the comments, and hopefully somebody will go over there and pay some love your way. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider giving me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell and subscribe if you want to see future videos. I am planning on uploading a video in this channel once a week. I now have a new channel, which is the art of journaling and decoupage, which I will also plan to upload one a week. And then up and coming, there will be a channel where I will help strip down process with brushwork, and if you want to learn, hopefully you will find value in that channel as well. So check my description box for the links, and I hope that wherever you are in the world, you are safe and well. For all people who are ongoing supporters of my channel, thank you so much. Every minute, every time you come and say hello, it means the world to me. It keeps inspiring me to keep sharing content. So yeah, much love to you all. I should now be on my final week in the UK and heading back to Australia soon, so I will be able to share some of my stories and adventures with you if you're interested in future videos. And I can't wait to continue interacting with you. So on this part of the video now, I've done my first load and you can see it was quite thin. I'm now going in and trying to not block out that colour that's underneath, but hopefully add enough colour, but enough clear that the bottom layer will add value and come forward. And that's my idea, that's the process. And I love a challenge. I love something that I think, you know what, yeah, now let's see if I can turn it into something I really enjoy. Anyway, I'll let you know if you think it's a yay or a nay. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video. There was a but there and I don't know why. I'll see you in the next video. I hope wherever you are safe and well. I hope you're creative. I hope you come back and see me again sometime. And other than that, peace, love, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.